Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from stake. How to withdraw money from stake? What you want to do is first come right here and log into stake.com or stake.us, and then you click here on wallet at the top and you'll get different options. Click here on withdraw, and as you can see we had a USDT balance, so you choose your currency where you have money in. I have a little bit of USDT. Now keep in mind the minimum withdrawal is $2.5, and then all you do once you've selected your currency, you need to select the network. So you come here to wherever your wallet address is. So I have it in Binance. So then you come here to deposit crypto. You can click on your profile icon and then click here on assets and you'll be on this page. Click on deposit crypto right here. And then what I want you to do is choose a cryptocurrency coin under deposit crypto. So you choose your coin. In this case, let's do USDT, because that is what our money is in stake. So we'll come back here and now we select a network. I suggest you go for BSC, which is BEP20. This is the BNB Smart Chain. This is completely free. So you select that, and then we scroll down. We copy our address. Okay, this is our address. We just copy it, go back to stake, and we paste in our address right here. And the network, I want you to select BSC, BEP20 right here. Okay, now the transaction fee is only charged by stake, and which is very negligible, $0.1. Then you just go and enter your amount and click on withdraw. That's all you have to do. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.